Hello students, welcome to computer class. Now we will learn how to open a file or a folder. Now here this is a file and this is a folder. Okay, so now first we will open this file. So just double click left mouse button, double click this file and it will open. Okay, and from the cross button you can close it. Now we will learn how to open a folder. Same way, just double click it, left mouse button, double click it and the folder will open. Now next we will learn how to rename a file or a folder. Okay, so this is our folder, right? Its name is first. So we will right click this folder and there is rename, click it and the name of the folder is automatically selected, right? So now we will change the name as third. Okay, firstly its name was first and now I have changed it into third and then I'll click on enter. Now the name of this folder is third and here there is a file. The name of the file is second. I right click it. There is an option rename. Click it. Automatically the name is selected. I'll take the name of this folder as fourth. Okay. After typing fourth, I will click on enter. And I have changed the name of the file as fourth and name of the folder third. Okay, now we will learn how to copy a file or a folder. Now first let us copy a file. Right click it, copy it and then here right click again and then paste. One more fourth class file is here. Same we will do with the folder. Right click it, copy it, right click it and then paste it. One more copy of third class is here, right? This is the copy. With this file, with the copied file, they have also written the copy. Means this is the copy, this is the original file. Now next is moving a file or a folder. For example, this file, the fourth class file, I want to move this file into third class folder. Okay, we can put the file into a folder, right? That you already know. So I will take this file, double click it, move it and put it in this folder. Now we will open this folder. Fourth class file is here, right? So we have moved the file grade 4th into the folder third class. Okay, same way now this will be our subfolder. I will move this folder into the third class copy folder. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll double click it, drag it with the mouse, with the help of mouse and move it into third class copy folder. Okay, just open it, double click it. Here is a subfolder, third class folder. I'll open it with double click and there is a file fourth class. Okay, with the name fourth class. So this is moving of a file. How to move a file into a file or a folder. Okay. Now our next is deleting a file or a folder. Now this is a file, right? And if we want to delete it, we will just click once, left click once and select this file. Now this file is selected. Now we will click delete button, this delete button from the keyboard, right? And they are asking, do you want to delete it immediately? Yes, we want to delete it. So this is the first way we can delete a file. Okay, now one more way is, means we are not sure that in future we want this file again or not. So in that case, what we will do, right click this file. Now I want to delete this file, but I'm not sure in future maybe I want it again. So in that case, what I'll do, I'll right click and then I'll choose the option move to trash. By doing this, this file will go into trash. Here is the trash. This is trash. Okay, so all the files which are deleted from your computer comes here. Okay, so anytime you can use that file. Now next we will learn how to change the background of the desktop. Now see here, right click on the desktop, change desktop background, and there are so many wallpapers. Just select, double click this picture and automatically the background is changed. You can close it. Now the background is changed, right? Now we will learn how to take any application from the dash bar. Now this is dash icon, click on it. Now these are the applications we have in our computer. Now we want a calculator on our screen. So what I'll write, I'll type here calculator. Okay, so we have typed CA and already we have a calculator here, right? So what I'll do, I'll drag this calculator towards my launcher bar. Okay, so now I have a calculator also in my launcher bar. So close the dash search bar, click on dash again, and we have a calculator. Whenever I need the calculator, I'll just click here and I'll have the calculator with me. I can do the calculation here. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching this video.